Godt. Kort introduktion til Early Birds sommerkompleks, eller sommerworkout. 20 minutter. 19 forskellige øvelser. Starter med 1 minuts cup press, 1 minut swings, 1 minut ab wheel rollouts, 1 minut cannonball curls, 1 minut squats, 1 minut sidebænder, 1 minut sumo deadlift high pulse, 1 minut V-sits, 1 minut push-ups, 1 minut halos, 1 minut switch rows, 1 minut figure 8 med catch, 1 minut atomic sit-ups, 1 minut floor press med kettlebell, 1 minut sumo deadlift high pulse med et squat, og så 1 minut bend over rows, 1 minut lunges, 1 minut dips på bænk, og så 1 minut, og så 2 minutters planke til allersidst. Så den sidste øvelse, altså nummer 19, er 2 minutter, så det er totalt set 20 minutter. Jeg laver lige workouten, så der er et ur hernede, som kommer til at køre ned, og så kan I bare følge med på den i sommerlandet derude. Så starter med første øvelse, cup press. Swings.
They on the side of it out of town. If you live it up, you won't live it down. So she left Monte Rio, son, just like a bullet leaves a gun. With a charcoal eyes and Monroe lips, she wouldn't do that California trip. The moon was gold, her hair like wind. Said, don't look back, just come on, Jim. Oh, you got to hold on, hold on. You got to hold on.
Så er det endelig rollouts.
Standing right here, you got to hold on. We gave her a dime store watch and a ring made from the school. Everyone's looking for someone to blame. When you share my bed, you share my name. Well, go ahead and call the cops. You don't need nice girls in coffee shops. She said, baby, I still love you. Sometimes there's nothing left to do. Oh, but you got to know. Oh,
Så er det cannonball curls.
sitting below and falling by 99-cent store. She closed her eyes and started swaying. But it's so hard to dance that way when it's cold and there's no music. Oh, your old hometown so far away, but inside your head there's a record that's playing a song called
Så er vi sidebag.
Hold On. And we gotta hold on to mine, standing right there, gotta hold on. You gotta hold on, hold on. Baby, gotta hold on to mine, standing right there, you gotta hold on. You gotta hold on, hold on. Baby, gotta hold on to mine, standing right here, you gotta hold on. You gotta hold on, hold on. Baby, gotta hold on to mine, standing right here, you gotta hold on. You gotta hold on, you gotta hold on, you gotta hold on.
Så er det Smooth Fabulous.
You gotta hold on. You gotta hold on, baby. You gotta hold on. You gotta hold on. You gotta hold on. I've been down, smoke Jimmy the Hart with a hard little pistol and a lariat. She going to the bottom, she going down the drain. Said she wasn't big enough to carry it. She got to get down the music.
Så er det Reasons. Så er det Push-Ups.
Big Jack girl was 8'1" and he stood in the road and he cried. He couldn't make her love him, he couldn't make her stay. Tell the good Lord that he tried to get behind you, yeah. And morning cloud, get behind you. Morning cloud, you got to get behind you. Morning cloud, got to get behind you. Morning cloud, dusty trail from Atchison, Placerville on the record of Wheatville stage. You look like a baby for a lemonade. I'm stirring my brandy with a
Så er det
nail.
Meadows.
Stirring my brandy with a nail. Got to get behind you. Morning cloud, get behind you. Morning cloud, you got to get behind you. Morning cloud.
Atomic Signals. Så er det Kevin Flanders.
There's a house on my block that's abandoned and cold. The folks moved out of it a long time ago, and they took all their things, and they never changed.
Stem 2 lidt Fabulous med et småt.
It looks like it's haunted with the windows open. Everyone calls it the house where nobody lives. What's it hell after? What's it hell dreams till they're thrown away? Does that know what it means? Someone's heartbreak, someone is somebody wrong. The pain is all cracked. There was peace all
Radio Rose.
papers were stacked on the porch where I stood. Weeds had grown up just as high as the door. There were birds in the chimney and roses to grow. Looks like no one ever come back. The house where nobody lived. Once it had laughter, once it had dreams, is there growing away? Know what that means. Someone's
Så er Lunches.
or someone is somebody wrong. So if you find someone to have, someone to hold, don't trade it for silver, or don't trade it for gold. 'Cause I have all the life's treasures in their fine and their good. They remind me how the just made good. What makes a house grand? Oh,
Så de sidste 2 minutter er sådan set bare planke.
Man må selvfølgelig gerne lave mere end 2 minutters planke, men jeg tænker, det er meget fint med 2 minutters planke til sidst. Jeg aner ikke, om jeg var inde i sættet eller hvad. Så 1 minut tilbage. Så lille kort workout, 20 minutter, sindssygt mange forskellige øvelser, 19 styks. God fornøjelse.